Hey guys, what's going on? I want to take a look at Quant. Ticker for this is Quant, and I'm currently on the weekly time frame. Before I get into the details, though, a couple things. Number one, if you're not subscribed and you want to get notified when I release these videos, click subscribe, click the bell, click on all. If you don't do that and you click away, you may have a hard time finding this channel again, just because it's a relatively new channel, only around 1,000 subscribers or so, and because of that, I'm not really prioritized in the search algorithm. Also, if you want a place to trade Quant and pretty much any of the other assets that I talk about on this channel, I put a link to two different exchanges in the pinned comment and the description. The first one is called BitGet. That's what I've been using for the last few months. So far, it's been really good, but in a couple weeks, they're going to start requiring KYC, and I figured some of you guys may not want to submit your personal information. So if you want a non-KYC exchange that is also offering you some pretty good sign-up bonuses, check out the other exchange that I have linked. It's called BingX, and yeah, no KYC and some good sign-up bonuses for that one. Okay, back to Quant. So as you can see, Quant, if you want to trade this asset, I recommend that you draw these two diagonal lines, right? So you have this upper diagonal resistance level, right? And then you have this upsloping level of support. So draw those on your chart. Now, in the last video, I mentioned that we were basically rated a support level. So you see this level here, this horizontal line, was acting as a support level for, I mean, these are weekly candles, right? So this line was acting as a support level, I mean, for over a year. And if you look what's happening right now, we're breaking down. Now, of course, I should mention that this candle has not closed yet. It closes Sunday evening at around 8 p.m. Eastern time. So there is a possibility that this candle might end up looking something like this, okay? But if the candle were to close like this with a body of the candle breaking below this horizontal level of support, that's a bad sign, and that would indicate to me that it's likely that we head back down, likely towards this upsloping level of support, right? Now, it might not go down there right away. When you break a strong level of support like this, oftentimes the price will come back and retest it as a resistance level. So if that gets rejected, then the next target's going to be right down here. And there's also confluence with that, okay? So this horizontal level I actually got from taking a Fibonacci retracement from the swing low to the swing high. So just like this, and drag it up to the top here. And you'll see that's exactly where it is the 50% retracement. So that is what has been holding us up. But while we've been getting held up by this 50% retracement level as a support, we've also been getting resistance from this diagonal trend line here. So something had to give, right? We came to the apex, and it looks like the bears won this battle, right? So, but again, we got to wait and see how this candle closes. Now, I mentioned that there's confluence around here, right? Around this upsloping level of support, and that would be the 618 retracement level, right? Right here. Okay, so if the price does make its way down here, particularly if it gets down there at a point where these two levels intersect, so you have this 61.8 Fibonacci retracement along with this upsloping level of support, to me this is going to be a buy zone, and that's approximately maybe $79 by the time it gets to it, $79, $80. But yeah, for me, that's when I'm going to look to enter a long position on Quant if it does make it down there. Now, of course, making it down to this target is dependent on basically the candle closing with the candle body below this 50% retracement level, because we haven't officially broke it yet, right? Because again, this candle could end up looking like this. So pay attention to the Quant chart, particularly tomorrow evening, so Sunday evening. Watch how this candle closes and then just take it from there, okay? But obviously this is a sign of weakness, and this is the next target down, okay? About $79. So keep that in mind if you want to trade Quant. Anyway, guys, just a quick update on this one. I saw the breakdown, wanted to get a quick video out. And yeah, hopefully you found that helpful. Once again, if you want to get notified when I release these videos, or even if you just want to be able to find this channel again, before you leave, click subscribe, click the bell, click on all. And if you want a exchange to trade any of these assets that I discuss on this channel on, the link to two exchanges are linked in the pinned comment and the description. Now, depending where you are, you may need a VPN to access them. So I also put a link to a promotion on a VPN as well. Anyway, guys, hopefully that helped. Take care. Have a good day. Bye. One thing worth mentioning is that this lower upsloping level of support can also be drawn by connecting the bodies as opposed to the wicks. So if I do that, the support comes in a little bit sooner, right? But personally, I wouldn't rely on this to act as a support region. Because we broke the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, the next target down for me is going to be the 618. And what I would expect to see, however, is maybe a wick down to the 618 and then the candle body close above this upsloping level of support just to keep this particular trend line intact. So it would look similar to this low here and this low here, right? So body come down, wick off this golden pocket region, and if that happens, buyers will likely step in, and maybe the candle body will be defended, and the candle body should close above this upsloping level of support. Now, obviously, I don't know what's going to happen, but that scenario wouldn't surprise me at all. But the way I'm going to trade this doesn't change at all. I'm still going to trade based on the wick rate here. And my ideal entry for a long is going to be if the price does come down to the 618, where it kind of converges with this upsloping level of support right here at around $79, $80, right? This range, okay? So yeah, that's how I'm going to play it.